Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how I installed my 613 wig from Yolissa hair. I will have all the links and details in the description box like I always do. So if you're interested in purchasing this wig, just go ahead and check out those links. Also, I do want to mention that the wig did not come this color. I did tone the wig before I applied it. I will have all the products I used to tone it in the description box as well, but I just used the Wella toner, the T11. And yeah, I didn't have to pluck the hairline or any of that. I literally just toned it, washed it, and then straightened it. So I'm gonna just show y'all how I applied this wig. It's the same technique that I use in all my other videos, but a lot of people ask, I know a lot of people are gonna ask, can I make a video on this? So I'm just gonna go ahead and make a slit in the lace. This is gonna make it easier to apply because I do apply 1/2 at a time. I'm gonna go ahead and take the Ghost Bond glue. This is the only glue I use to apply my wigs. And I am gonna go on with 2 layers because I do plan on having this wig on for a while. So I'm going on my first layer and I'm just going to spread the glue out with the rat tail comb. I'm gonna make sure that I push the glue back like into my stocking cap because I don't wanna drag the glue down too far on my forehead because then my forehead is just gonna be sticky and that's not cute. So now I'm going in with my second layer, doing the same exact thing, spreading the glue out. And I just find when I use 2 layers that my wig lasts way longer and it's more like sturdy, and I don't have to keep going back in with got to be spray and trying to lay the lace down from time to time. So I do recommend putting on more than 1 layer of glue if you want to wear your wig for a long time. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let that dry. You want to wait till the glue is clear. You don't want to see any white, because if you put it on while the glue's white, the lace is gonna have little white chunks. So you want to make sure you are applying the lace as soon as it turns clear. So I'm just go ahead and pull the wig down to where I want it. And then I'm just gonna press firmly to make sure everything's nice and secured. And yeah, I just like pull it down farther enough to where my stocking cap doesn't show, because you don't want to see the stocking cap through the wig. So I just pulled it down farther enough on my forehead so my stocking cap doesn't show. Then I'm gonna go ahead and cut my ear flaps, because as you see, they're way too far down. So I'm just taking an eyebrow razor. These are like essential when you're putting wigs on because they just make the lace look so much more melted than if you use scissors. I think it's just because scissors is like a straight line, but this like doesn't make a straight line, so it makes it more like, I don't know, it just makes it look more melted into the skin. So I use eyebrow razors instead of scissors. So I'm just cutting my ear flap. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take an eyebrow razor again. I just grabbed this one because it was more sharp than the other one. I'm gonna go ahead and cut my lace. You don't want to cut too much, but you want to make sure you don't have too much excess lace on your forehead, because then you can definitely tell. So you want to make sure you cut just enough lace off to where the lace can melt into the skin and it look like it's coming from your scalp. So I'm gonna just go ahead and cut that off. I do have some areas where I do need more glue. Like I said previously, it's better to add less glue in the beginning than more, because now I can just go ahead and apply glue to any pieces of lace that need it, instead of having way too much glue and my whole forehead be sticky, and that would not be cute at all. So I'm just going ahead and apply some glue here, and then I'm just gonna lay the lace down. And then I'm gonna repeat the same exact process to the other side of the head, and I will be back once I'm done. Okay, so now that our wig is applied, I'm gonna go ahead and kind of finish styling it. I'm using the Care wax stick. This is a must-have product for applying wigs. I feel like it just gets my wig so flat. Yeah, I freaking love this stuff. So if you don't use this, I recommend it. If you want to get your wigs really flat and laid down. So I'm just gonna apply this to the edges and like the part, and then I'm gonna go ahead in with my hot comb and just lay my hair down basically. I already straightened it off camera, so I didn't really have to go in and straighten it anymore. It looked fine to me. So that was basically all it took to apply this wig. Once you get the hang of applying wig, it's actually really simple. So yeah, if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like my content. And I will try to get back on making videos because I know I was gone for a minute, but I'm trying to get back into routine. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video.